how to fix Instagram not showing gallery photos on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, open settings and scroll down until you find here apps, and then click apps again. Now type here Instagram, click on it, and then click for stop. Now go to storage, clear cache, and after that go to permissions, give it all of those permissions here, and now just go back and go to and go back and try again. And if you have an iPhone, just go to this one here, Play Store or App Store, and type Instagram. Now make sure your Instagram is updated, then restart your phone and try again. And if that also doesn't fix it, if that also doesn't fix your problem and you have an Android, now go to settings, click apps, and then apps again, type here Instagram, go to permissions, and here give it storage, make sure storage is allowed, and that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.